Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick lecture on the functions and methods homework. So in this lecture we're just going to quickly go over the assignment and what to expect. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So your first question is write a function that computes the volume of a sphere given its radius. And for pretty much all of these function homework assignments, I've given you just the basic code cell to fill in. So there's your def vol, it's going to take in a radius, and then you're going to have to return the volume of the sphere. Second question, write a function that checks whether a number is in a given range. So that's inclusive of high and low. So there's two methods for this. You could either say def ran check, and you could have a print statement that says, yes, it's in the given range, or you could just do a Boolean check. And I want you to fill these in both. So have one function say, it prints out a statement saying whether the number is in the range, and another one that just returns the Boolean. Okay, after that, I want you to write a Python function that accepts a string and calculates the number of uppercase letters and lowercase letters. So, for example, you have an input string that says, hello, Mr. Rogers, how are you this fine Tuesday? And I want you to have the output print something like this, number of uppercase characters, number of lowercase characters. And if you feel ambitious, you can use the collections module to solve this problem, but you actually don't need it. Okay, after that, I want you to write a Python function that takes a list and returns a new list with the unique elements of the first list. Remember, I want you to return a list. So it's going to look a little something like that. Okay, after that, I want you to write a Python function that multiply all the numbers in a list, as so, def multiply. Then I want you to write a Python function that checks whether a passed string is a palindrome or not. So remember, a palindrome is a word, phrase, or sequence that reads the same forward and backwards. So like madam or nurses run, those are examples of palindromes. Okay, then finally I have this hard level question, and what it's going to do is I want you to write a Python function to check whether a string is a pangram or not. And note that pangrams are words or sentences containing every letter of the alphabet at least once. So for example, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog contains every letter in the alphabet. And I put a little hint for you, and you're going to use the string module. So you're going to put this line, import string, and this is going to allow you to save time from having to write every letter of the alphabet. So if you import string and then say string.ascii underscore lowercase, that will actually output the alphabet. So to give you an example of what that looks like, after you import string, you're going to say string.ascii underscore lowercase, and that's just going to output this long string of the alphabet. Okay, so that's it. Basically, have a lot of fun with these. There's multiple ways to answer a lot of these functions. See if you can try the most readable and simple solutions you can. And after that, you can go ahead and check out the Jupyter notebook that has the solutions. Okay, that's it, and good luck.